Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to talk all about eyes. I have a brand new eyeshadow palette to share with you and some fun accessories for your eyeballs. So if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. A company by the name of Coleyes reached out to me and asked if they could send me some colored contacts. This is not a sponsored video, however, they did send these contacts to me for free to let you know how I felt about them. I was very honored that they reached out to me as a small creator. I said that would be fantastic, and they let me choose 4 different shades. I picked an orange color, 2 different types of blues, and a bright green. And in the meantime, Agnieszka had a collaboration with Odens Eye and had this palette in that collaboration. This is the Little Ghost palette. They came at the same time. I felt like it was fate. All these beautiful colors in this palette to go with different colored eyes, and I had some fun. It actually took me 3 days to film this video so that I did not beat up my eyes. I did 5 different looks with this palette. There are so many different colors, and I recorded each one of the looks so that you could see how it was done. I'm going to start with some swatches from this palette. This is my first experience with Odens Eye, and these are the swatches. You've got some oranges, some blues, some purples, so many different shades. And I must say, I was very impressed with the formula. I've heard it said that indie does it best. I think I am inclined to agree with that. This is a gorgeous palette. It's $42, $43. I believe you can use Angie's discount code for that. I will make sure that I have it in the description box, but this has been a blast. There is a mirror in the palette. Absolutely stunning artwork. This is something that I will keep for a very, very long time. So back to the contacts. When I went on the Coleyes website to check out the different colored options that I had, I was blown away. They have so many different styles. They have styles that are just going to enhance the color of your eyes, change the color of your eyes. You can have darker eyes or lighter eyes and they will be covered. They are very affordable. They have all types of deals. I noticed a buy 6 for $60. They gave me a 20% off discount. I will have my discount code listed above. There is a link that I would love for you to use that will be listed in the description box. I believe I get a small commission if you use my link. They also said that they would do a buy 2 get 2 free deal if you went through my link and used my code. So make sure you check out the description box because they have been a lot of fun. They come in a cute box like this. You do get a case with each one. They come like regular contacts with the peel up sort of foil that is sealed inside, but they also have a case, which is nice. Before I get into the 4 eye looks, I wanted to show you how I created the look that I have today, which, by the way, I used every shade in this palette in the last couple of days, and I feel so comfortable with this palette after doing that. It's been fun. I started with Haunted, and I took that all over my crease, and then I went in with Creepy and took that 3/4 of the way onto my lid. I thought I would play with Cobweb. That is this shimmering champagne. I put that in the inner third, but it wasn't popping quite enough. This is not a super strong shimmer. It's more of a satin that you could use to, matter of fact, I should put that in my inner corner. It's a little bit more of an inner corner highlight. So after I did that, I went in with Boo, which is an amazing color that has multiple different shifts in it. It's more of a topper, so I knew that when I went over Cobweb with that, it would just bring it to life, which it did. And I see pinks and purples and blues in that amazing shifting topper. Then I went in with Candy Corn underneath the eyes. deepened it with Licorice all along my lash line and a little bit above. I also took Haunted House, which is this deeper blue, and just put it on my outer corner just to add a little bit more depth. I love this look, very Halloween. I love the blue and orange together. It looks great. Now I'll get into the eye looks. We're playing with Sassy Orange for this look. Of course, my hands are clean. Take them out of the case. I'm just gonna pop them in my eye. I'm thinking we're gonna stay down in this warm section and maybe a little bit of this pink color called Magical. I'm gonna start right here. I believe this shade is Candy Corn. And I'm gonna just press this on my outer corner. Go ahead and take it underneath as well. This was a Morphe flat brush. Now I'm gonna go into my Essence Smoky Eyes brush. And I'm gonna take this color a little bit higher. Just pull it out a little bit to give the eye a little more shape. Now I'm going to try this Magical shade. I see pink and gold and orange in there. I'm going to put that on the inner lid. I think I'll go into this Screech shade, and I'm going to use it to go in between the Candy Corn and the pinker Duochrome. I think this Magical is meant to be a topper, so I'm going to take Screech and go all the way across, and then I'm going to put that Magical on top of it because I think it'll show better. There we go. There's Screech all the way across. I do like that. And now we'll go into that Magical, and I'll just press that on the inner third. Yes. Liner and mascara. I'll be right back. And there we have it. This is the look. Tell me what you think. Next, we're going to play with the Juliet Blue. These are very pretty, super bright. I want to have more of these orange shades in here, and I might play with the pop of yellow. So I'm going to start with this shade down at the bottom, which is called Broomstick. ColourPop E17 into Broomstick, and I'm going to start right on this outer edge and just sort of press and swirl. Loving it. I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is a Profusion Small Pointed, same shade, and I'm going to take it on the bottom part of my eye. But I think I'll stay in the outer corner and just bring it maybe halfway. Ooh. Now I'm going to take Broomstick on a flat brush. This is my Glamlite 02, and I'm going to pack Candy Corn on this brush. I'm just going to go all the way. Ooh, I'm loving that combo. Just going to go back into that small Profusion. I wiped it off on my towel, and I'm going to go more towards the inner third on the bottom. Now I want to take this yellow shade called Banana Taffy, and I'm going to go right in that inner corner and just press it in. A little bit of blend. That color is everything. Let me go ahead and add some liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. I'm back. Liner and mascara is on. Here is the warm eye look with the Juliet Blue eyes. I love it. The Broomstick I like so much more than I thought I would, and the Candy Corn and the Banana Taffy, yes, all the things, and these eyes, I love them. Next, we're playing with Cybervision Green. so pretty. I thought it would be fun to get into some of these purples. This is an AOA E129, and I'm gonna start with Little Ghost. Maybe we'll try a halo eye this time. You guys seem to like that when I did it with the mini trio chrome. Wow. I'm just going to take a little on the top of the brush and sort of connect across the top here. Liking. I will blend this out a little bit more in a minute. I think I want to go into Zombie next. Ooh. Put that right in the center. Look at that, how pretty. Ooh, and then blend out those edges. This one's a little on the soft side. Be careful digging your finger in. Are we liking? I know I am. I'm gonna go on the edge and just soften those edges. I didn't add anything to the brush. Merging that shimmer with that matte. This is an e.l.f. Precise Blending brush, and I want to go into Skeleton, which I remember Angie saying it was a light lavender. And I'm just gonna use that to very, very lightly blend out these edges. Now I'll go in with my small Profusion pointed brush. It looks like it's purple, but it's just stained. And I'm gonna go back into Little Ghost and basically do the same thing on the bottom that I did on the top. Cleaning off the brush, going back into Zombie. And for this one, I am gonna wet it with a little bit of MAC Fix Plus. Let me go ahead and add some liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. I'm back, mascara and liner is on. This is my favorite look so far. Now I understand why purple looks so good with green eyes. I think it makes the eyes absolutely glow. Be right back. Last pair, I'm going to be playing with Leopard Blue. I love the shade. It's kind of a blue gray. I don't know if you can see it, but in the lighting I see a lot of sparkles on my face. I think that the Zombie, which one? This Zombie shade is a little bit scattery. Be careful, make sure you wet it or don't go in too heavy. It's just a little bit of a looser packed glitter. Start with Haunted House and let's see where it goes from there. I'm gonna go into my BH pencil number 6, and this Haunted House looks like a beautiful deep royal blue. And I'm just gonna stamp that in. Gorgeous. I think I see some fallout. Okay. I am a little bit heavy-handed, so you might want to start lighter and build. I'm going to take that same shade on my Profusion small pointed brush and just do that outer corner, because I know it's going there anyway. Ominous. Trying to use all the shades, and I'm going to put Ominous right here. Oh, that is gorgeous. These shimmers are amazing. I love the texture. Just going back into that small pointed brush with the blue and just blending that edge. Now I'm going to go into Creepy. I'm going to put that in the inner. Loving. So I'm going to go into this Ghoulish and see how that works as a blending shade. It's doing a good job. I'm going to go back into the palette and I'm going to take my small pointed brush into Ominous. And I'm going to spray it. Wiping off the brush and going into Creepy again. Spraying it. Liking. Now I need to get into this Boo. Where am I going to put that? I think I'm just going to go right in that inner corner. Oh wow, that's really pretty. I'll have to try that without a base, but I have a feeling it really needs a base to pop. But I'm assuming you could put this over any shade. She called it a bridge shade that is going to have the pink, the blue, and the purple. It's funny, the eye color looks a little more green now. I'll go ahead and add some liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. I'm back. Liner and mascara is on, and I really like this look. The purple and the blue look great together. I liked that bridging shade Boo. Let me know what you think about this look. I'm back. If you're still here, thank you for staying. I hope you enjoyed the 5 looks that I created with the Odens Eye Little Ghost Palette collaboration with Angeshka. I really enjoyed it. Love the quality of this palette. Love the contacts that I got from Coleyes. They are comfortable, they are easy. If you are interested in picking any up, make sure that you check out my discount code and my link in the description box. I will have listed all of the makeup that is on my face. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And of course, leave me a comment. I would love to know what eye look blew you away. That purple halo eye with the green eyes was amazing. I loved that look. That is my personal favorite. Have a fabulous day. I'll see you in the next one.